If your iPhone is frozen and nothing you tap is working, try this before you think about taking it to a repair shop. This works on iPhone 8 or newer. So what you're going to do is called a force restart. You need to press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo, then you let it go. So let's do it together. Tap, tap, hold. Make sure you keep holding the power button until the Apple logo comes on. If your phone keeps freezing even after trying this, check two things before going anywhere. First, go to your settings app, in general, software update, and make sure your software is up to date. Outdated software causes repeated freezing. Second, check settings, general, iPhone storage. If your phone is nearly full, that alone causes freezing too. So here's exactly where that leaves you. If the force restarts fixed it, you're done. If it keeps happening after you've updated your software and checked your storage, then you might need to take it to a repair shop to get it looked at. It's likely something beyond a simple freeze at that point. Also, if none of this fixes it and you're not sure what to do next, drop a comment below and tell me what's happening. I'll help you figure out whether this is a repair store situation or something you can DIY.